Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between. Welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today, this is going to be a quick video. Honest pipe lighters. I have another one. I'm not sure where it went. I think my dad might have it. But this is the one I use. And for $13 or $15, this is an incredible little lighter. It's a pipe lighter, so you can get down in the bowl of whatever you're smoking or lighting. It doesn't hold a lot of fuel, but that's okay because it's real slim. Let me get a Zippo to compare. Here's a regular Zippo. Actually quite similar in size. Anyway, so Honest, I don't know if you can read that. Honest. They're made in China, but realistically, they're really well made. I have a couple of other Honest lighters, but this is my favorite by far. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know that if you see one of these and you're on the fence about it, get one. They're fantastic. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.